Closing 2 lakh, 1 lakh, or even 50,000 rupees clients in one single sales call is much easier than you think. And in this video, I will show you exactly how your coaching or edtech business can close these high ticket clients and get a deposit or a token money on the first sales call itself. If you stay till the end, you will also get a chance to speak to me where we will fix your sales process together so you can double or even triple your revenue within the next quarter. I'm Dhruv, founder of the Sales Initiative. I have personally taken more than 800 sales calls, trained 100 plus coaches, agency owners, and edtech teams, and generated 6 crores in revenue. And I have seen this strategy work every single time without changing the offer or increasing ad budget. If you are getting at least 25 leads or sales calls every month but you are not able to close them, then this video is for you. You probably hear objections or your prospects, they start comparing you to others and your sales team is just not able to close these deals. The problem is not your price, your niche, or your program. The real problem is that your offer looks, feels, and sounds exactly like everyone else in the market. Most coaches, edtech, and agency owners see what is working for someone else in their niche and just copy it. Same funnels, same structure, same modules, and the same pitch. You think that if it is working for somebody else, it will also work for you. So you build everything in exactly the same way, and then you wonder why nobody is buying at the price you want. It's not rocket science. What would you do when you are buying a service? If you talk to 5 sellers and all the offers feel same, you would obviously choose the one which is the lowest price. That is the same reason why people don't buy from you. Your offer looks, sounds, and feels exactly the same as hundreds of other people out there. Now, the only deciding factor then becomes is pricing. If you're watching this video, chances are you do not want to do that. And I respect it honestly. Giving discounts, charging very little, and decreasing your pricing is not a good way to run a business. Now, the sad reality is that you have done it, or you might be even thinking about it. Then, Dhruv, what shall I do? Don't worry, I got you, because that's exactly what we will fix in today's video. Step 1 is to identify the most painful areas of your prospects. These should not be surface level issues. These have to be hard hitting, soul frying pain and challenges they are facing that they have not been able to solve alone. You need to ask good questions around the problems that they face. What is the main problem? What other problems are they facing? Since when? What have they done to solve this problem? How is this affecting them mentally or physically or financially? What does their wife or their husband have to say about this? There are many more such questions. But this is the foundation upon which everything else is built upon. Step 2 is to repackage your existing program as the only solution to these challenges. Many people get scared as they think that they need to create a new program or a new service. No. All you have to do is reposition what you already have. It's about packaging, but you're positioning it in a way that makes them feel it was built for them. Compare this to what you're currently doing. Now, when you walk into a sales call with an offer that speaks personally to your prospect, what reason do they have to say no to you? Zero. They stop giving you objections and they start to pay. If you doubt this process, I get it. It's new. You don't trust it yet. The reason it works is because I didn't make the call about myself. It works because I listened, because I made the prospect feel more important than anyone else in the world. They trust your authority and they no longer compare you with 5 other options. Instead, they ask you for the payment link. Aman, who is a life and happiness coach and my client for the last 3 years, was stuck at charging 50,000 rupees per client with a closing rate under 10%. His offer looked like every other life coaching program in the market. He used to get objections, vague responses, and a very small number of new clients. We helped him reposition his program as the only solution to his prospects' most painful problems. And within a few months, he was closing deals of 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs, and even 2.5 lakh rupees each from clients. He went from closing one deal at 50,000 out of every 10 sales call to closing 2 deals at 1.5 lakh rupees each out of the same 10 leads. That is a 6 times jump in revenue without changing marketing. So if you're a coach or agency owner who is getting leads but you are losing them to cheaper competitors or price objections, and you would like my help to fix it ASAP, then click below and book a sales growth consultation call with us. We are running ads so we get booked out very fast. On this call, we will help you find the biggest gap in your sales process and how we can help you fix it so that you can double and even triple your business in the next quarter.